guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, in today's video I'll be sharing this Birch Lane Arbor wall decor. As you guys can see, it's $251 and there's no way we're going to be spending that much today. I really like this. It's like a modern farmhouse wooden wall decor, and it's 36 inches by 36 inches. Ours is only going to be 18 by 18 and it's going to cost us like $5. So half the size and way more savings than the $251. Give me that percentage in the comments down below. How much percentage savings is that? I'm not good at math. Anyways, if you guys can see it, it has like the galvanized look on the top bars, the top and the bottom. And then also if you can see the texture on the tree, it looks like it's being raised. So we're gonna try to attempt that look as well. So if this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Okay, so I already have my foam board cut out and it's going to be an 18 by 18 inch piece. I'll be using a total of 30 jumbo craft sticks from Walmart and a total of 8 craft sticks from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to start out by cutting off the edges on the jumbo craft sticks, and all you have to do is use scissors. I cut a lot of craft sticks, so I kind of hurt my fingers. Anyways, so each craft stick, then I'm going to cut into 3 pieces. You can leave them long as is, but I want it to look as close as possible to the piece that I'm replicating. So all I'm going to do is once I start cutting the pieces is start gluing them together. Before I glue those together though, I want to make sure that my other pieces are cut to the exact same size, so I already kind of measured out the other ones. So there's going to be 15 craft sticks at the top and then 15 at the bottom.
I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up.
Alright, so taking some of this jet black acrylic paint, it's Apple Barrel from Walmart, I'm just going to start painting the Dollar Tree craft sticks. These are going to be like my trim as you saw in the original, so just paint it all along, and then I'll be taking some silver paint also and then just dabbing it on there to make it look galvanized. For the wood sign, I'm going to mix this pewter gray and white Apple Barrel paint. And then taking a large foam brush, I'm just going to dip it on there and then I'm going to paint across the wooden stick. So not up and down, but across to give it that distressed look.
Wide awake and I'm just get away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show.
So once my trim is all glued on there, I'm going to start drawing out my tree, and I'm just going to start out with a pencil just to do my sketch, and I am looking at the picture, so I'm kind of following along with the lines on the picture. After that, I am going to take this Dollar Tree paintbrush. I love this freaking pen. It's amazing. It is so smooth and precise. So anyways, I'm just going to go over the lines, the pencil lines with it, and you know, do my branches and my leaves and everything. And then again, I am following the pictures, and I'm gonna do my leaves. Once that's all done, I am gonna slightly fill them in with a pen. So this is the fun part, and this is what's gonna give that texture, okay? I'm just taking my hot glue gun and just carefully filling in and tracing the branches, filling in the leaves, and again, just carefully. If you mess up, if you go outside of the line, that's completely fine. Once I get to the branches or the trunk of the tree, I'm gonna go in an up and down motion, and I think that gives it that bark texture. So while that dries, I'm going to go ahead and put my self-adhesive half pearls onto my trim, and I'm just going to glue them on there and then paint them with a little bit of black and silver mixed paint. And that's Milani in the background if you hear her. After that, I'm going to go over the hot glue. That's not hot anymore, it's nice and dry. I'm going to go over that with some black acrylic paint and just fill it in as best as I can.
The world from the place beneath the willow, the willow.
that's gonna be it for today. If you did enjoy this video, I would love it, and it would help me so much if you give me a thumbs up. Leave me your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!